szépen, ez itt a temetőrész. Itt jó nagy vízászpajások vannak keresztbe.
Mikor lassulok most?
Most jöttem hát. Jó, kétszik! Milyen víz van ott, ember?
Nézd már a pályán!
Várjál, még innen nem lehet látni. Jó, ahol bemegyek most. Jó! Drága Szent Jóska bácsi! Éjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjj Íjú, oda megyek közeledre. Azt. Jú, itt egy kisebb vizé. Kérem szépen, ez a focipálya, vagy mi lenne? Azt. Jó! Jó! Hát ez mind a hegyekből jön. Hát, gondolom ezelőtt 2 órával nem volt ilyen lassú víz. Hát ez meg a focipálya.